All of a sudden, there was nobody. We were the only ones left on that part of the hill. There was nobody we could have asked for the way. But then we had a cool idea. We were on a holiday at Tirthan Valley in Himachal Pradesh, and one of the most sought after things to do here is trekking at Jalori Pass. To our surprise, this almost unfinished trek turned out to be a divine experience and taught us a life lesson.
आज हमारा तीर्थन वैली में दूसरा दिन है। आज की आइटिनरी के हिसाब से अभी तीर्थन एंगलर रिट्रीट से हम लोग जलोड़ी पास जा रहे हैं ट्रैकिंग के लिए।
The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain?
In almost half an hour, we reached the base from where we were going to start our trek. The starting point of the trek had a small Kali Mandir that attracts devotees from the nearby areas. Trekkers also visit the temple for divine blessings. It was quite a cold and windy day, but still bright and cheerful. We started the trek on our own without a guide because we were under the impression that it's going to be a pretty straightforward journey. But Jalori Pass trekking is a long route that can be stretched from a few hours to several days. We only had half a day with us. We thought we'll go till the point where we get good views of the valley, click some photographs, absorb the natural beauty, and come back. In the beginning, the trek was of moderate difficulty, but as we covered more distance, it got breathtaking. We had to take off our mufflers, jackets, and we were feeling hot and we started panting.
फिलहाल हम लोग जलोड़ी पास ट्रैकिंग के लिए आए हैं। व्यू ब्रेथ टेकिंग है और ये एक लगभग 1-1.5 घंटे का ट्रैकिंग है। जो हमारा डेस्टिनेशन है वो एक शूटिंग पॉइंट है। अपेरेंटली कई फिल्म्स की शूटिंग होती है उस पॉइंट से। उम्मीद है बहुत सुंदर होगा देखने में। वैसे तो हर एक कोना ही बहुत खूबसूरत है और बेदोब्रे तो काफ़ी टायर्ड नज़र आ रहे हैं।
Tomorrow is my birthday. I want to be alive till then. That is why I don't care about beauty.
We'll make sure you are alive till then.
This is, guys, it's not, let me tell you, it's very beautiful. It's so worth it, but then again, it's not for the faint-hearted. So do use your discretion if you're going for these tours. Because the beauty of Himachal is that whole of Himachal is like this. Every corner has new greens, new colors. So you really don't need to do all this for a hard work. But then if you want to, kudos.
And then, it goes without saying, trekking, gives you a sense of accomplishment. So if you really look for that adrenaline rush, then, go for it.
That is something, that is a homily from Mr. Bhatia. I only want to be alive, but guys, it's so worth it. The air is so fresh.
We trekked some more and the views got better and better as we hiked up. Suddenly, we heard the sounds of drum from a distance. The sounds of drum, along with the cheer of the crowd, was approaching in our direction. Soon thereafter, we saw this procession climbing up the hill. A bunch of devotees was carrying a Hindu deity up on the mountain. They were holding the deity on their shoulders, and it looked like a celebration with drums and horns. The devotees were showering flowers on the deity. The fluttering of the flags and the rotating umbrella with Himachali religious motifs was a sight to behold. The fresh air, greenery all around, mind-boggling beauty of the valley, coupled with the music and divinity in the air, made this experience extremely heady. We asked some of the devotees about the procession and they told us they were also coming from the temple at the base and carrying the deity to Sarolsar Lake. We started following the procession for some more time. They took a halt at another small temple on the hill. We were also very tired and decided to rest for a bit. We got lost in clicking the valley, the adorable mountain dogs, and trying to absorb the surroundings. And after a short while, we realized the procession had already started on its way to Sarolsar Lake. While we were deciding whether we should follow the procession or should we go back, they had already left. All of a sudden, there was nobody. We were the only ones left on that part of the hill. We started trekking down to return to our base point, but weren't sure if we were moving in the right direction. There was nobody we could have asked for the way. But then we had a cool idea. We started following the flower petals on the hill in the reverse direction. These were the same flowers that were being showered on the DT. Call it divine intervention or a bright idea, these flowers led us to the right path, and in almost 45 minutes of trekking down, we reached the Mahakali temple. This was the point from where we had started our trek. We heaved a sigh of relief, bowed down to the goddess in gratitude, and headed to the nearby tea stall for some chai. So that was a travel tale from Jalori Pass trekking. Tirthan Valley was a memorable trip for so many reasons, especially this incident that is going to stay with us for very long. Travel teaches you a lot of things, it makes you wiser, so do travel as and whenever you can. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Please press the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.